India's forgotten men. Well, moving on, getting into school or college is tough enough in Delhi, but if one has visual or hearing disabilities, getting even the most basic education can be difficult. That's why, at least in big metros like Delhi, deaf-blind networks help with everything from getting children with disabilities into school to building awareness. Well, on World Disability Day today, we salute organizations like these which are doing their best to break barriers.
It's easy to chat with Zamir on his laptop. His Braille software immediately translates the text from Braille to English and back to Braille. And so, liberate Zamir, who is deaf-blind, from the conventional trappings that come with communicating in sign language.
Talking to friends, sharing stupid things, we also do the same thing.
But to get this far on an individual level is one thing. Making it happen for others with the same disability is quite another. For one, deaf-blindness is still not recognized as a separate disability under our Disability Act. For another, exposure for most to a sign language based on touch, for instance, or a school which caters to their needs is virtually non-existent. So, Zahir is now working in an NGO that set up a network for the deaf-blind in Delhi. And at the Blind School Association, there's a separate class for deaf-blind students.
When I joined Sense International India, then I decided to work for deaf-blind people. I was worried about their education, family.
The association, called UDAN, consists of parents, students and professional advisors attached to NGOs that help with everything from getting disability certificates to advice on where to buy special aids, and most of all, people who can count on each other on a bad day.
पेरेंट्स से तो काफी सबसे पहला तो इमोशनल सपोर्ट मिलता है जो शायद फैमिली से भी इतना नहीं मिलता.
John has some residual vision, so he was made the star of the one-act play for Disability Day. A play with a very simple story. John needs a friend. Off stage, John's best friend is a deaf-blind boy much younger than him, who he is fiercely protective about.
जॉन का फ्रेंड बलराम, उसके साथ खेलना और उसको बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटेक्शन देना इसको बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देता है. बचाता है बलराम. जॉन बलराम को गिरने से बचाता है. जब वो साइकिल पर बैठता है तो जॉन उसकी हेल्प करता है. यस.
Adesh, playing a Japanese girl in the play, has some residual hearing, and when he's not mugging lines in Japanese, he's playing football.
फुटबॉल के हीरो कौन है आपके? Beckham.
Yes.
Kamlesh and her husband Rakesh are both happy and relieved to have connected with Delhi's Deaf-Blind Association and to have found a school where their son Shiv can start picking up the necessary skills to communicate. In fact, they're so relieved they'd do anything to stay on in Delhi, even though Rakesh works in the Army's Armoured Corps.
मेरी 3 साल फिलहाल पोस्टिंग भी पूरी हो चुकी है, तो अभी मेरे को 15 महीना बाकी है और आगे की मैं और रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा. नहीं होंगे तो अपने बेटे के खातिर मैं अपना रिटायरमेंट लेना पसंद करूंगा.
It's not easy dealing with all the barriers the city and the world puts up around you if you're deaf-blind. But that only means the liberated voices amongst them, like Zahir, have their work cut out for them.
In New Delhi, D. Revati, REVTI, Revati, हाँ. Lal, LAUL, Lal, for ND TV.